Hey everyone, welcome back to Rohana Reviews. Today, I'm reviewing AdCreative.ai, an AI-powered tool designed to help you create compelling ads quickly and efficiently. And guess what? You can get a 7-day free trial. The link is in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's dive in. So, what is AdCreative.ai? It's an AI-powered platform designed to help marketers and businesses create high-converting ads in a fraction of the time it usually takes. Whether you're running campaigns on Facebook, Google, or Instagram, this tool promises to revolutionize the way you create your ad creatives. First, let's take a look at the sign-up process. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Initially, you'll need to enter your name, email, and password. Next, you'll be asked to provide payment details to verify your account, but don't worry, you won't be charged during your 7-day free trial. Just remember to check your subscription at the end of the trial period. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Everything you need is easily accessible, making the navigation process smooth and hassle-free. Now, let's dive into the features. One of the standout features of AdCreative.ai is its ability to generate multiple ad creatives in just a few clicks. You simply input your campaign details, select your preferred ad format, and let the AI do the rest. It's like having a team of professional designers at your fingertips. Here's a quick demo. I'm setting up a new campaign for a hypothetical e-commerce store. I input the brand colors, upload the product images, and add some catchy text. And voila! In less than a minute, AdCreative.ai generates several stunning ad creatives ready to be used. But it doesn't stop there. AdCreative also offers powerful A/B testing capabilities. This means you can test different versions of your ads to see which one performs better, ensuring you get the best results for your campaigns. You can compare different ad variations, analyze the data, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your ad performance. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Another fantastic feature is the integration with major ad platforms. AdCreative.ai seamlessly integrates with Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram ads, making it super easy to launch and manage your campaigns from a single platform. With just a few clicks, you can sync your ad accounts, import your data, and start running your ads without any hassle. It's a huge time saver. Okay, let's talk pricing. AdCreative.ai offers several pricing plans to suit different needs, from individual entrepreneurs to larger marketing teams. And here's some great news, they're currently offering 50% off on yearly plans. Make sure to check out the latest pricing details by clicking the link in my description box to take advantage of these discounts and find the plan that best fits your needs. Their customer support is responsive and helpful, providing assistance through live chat, email, and a comprehensive help center. This ensures you have the support you need whenever you encounter any issues. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. AdCreative.ai saves time, offers creative diversity, and uses AI to boost ad performance predictions. It's a great tool for anyone looking to enhance their digital marketing efforts. On the downside, it might take some time to fine-tune the AI to fully match your brand's voice and style. But overall, these are minor issues compared to the benefits it offers. Overall, AdCreative.ai is a powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their ad creation process and leverage AI for better performance. It's definitely worth trying out if you're in the digital marketing space. Don't forget, you can get a 7-day free trial of AdCreative.ai by clicking the link in the description box below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips. And let me know in the comments if you've tried AdCreative.ai and what your experience has been like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.